Welcome to the presentation on fish movement in graphics using the C programming language. In this presentation, we will explore how to create a simple fish animation using the graphics.h library. Let's get started. In this project, we simulate the movement of a fish on the screen. Using C programming and the graphics.h library, we can animate a fish moving horizontally from left to right, creating a dynamic visual effect. This will help us understand the basic principles of drawing, movement, and animation in graphics. Let's start by setting up the program. We begin by including the necessary libraries. The graphics.h library is essential for drawing shapes and creating the graphical output. The conio.h and dos.h libraries are used for handling user input and timing the animation respectively. The drawFish function is where we define the appearance of the fish. First, we draw the fish's body using an ellipse shape filled with a light cyan color. Then we draw the tail using a triangle shape, creating a realistic fish-like figure. The flood fill function ensures that the tail is filled with a blue color. In the main function, we initialize the graphics mode with the initGraph function. This prepares the screen for drawing. We also define the graphics driver and mode, which will be automatically detected by the system. Next, we define the initial position of the fish with the variables x and y. We also set the speed of the fish's horizontal movement with dx. The variable dy is defined but not used here, as we are only focusing on horizontal movement in this example. Now comes the animation loop. The while loop ensures that the fish keeps moving until a key is pressed. The clear device function clears the screen before each red draw. The fish appears to move smoothly across the screen without leaving trails. In this part of the code, we control the movement of the fish. The variable x is updated with dx, moving the fish horizontally. If the fish reaches the right edge of the screen, we reset its position to the left edge, creating an endless loop of movement. To slow down the animation and make it visible to the user, we use the delay function. This adds a small pause between each frame. Finally, once the loop ends, the closeGraph function shuts down the graphics mode and exits the program. When you run this program, you will see a fish moving across the screen from left to right. Once it reaches the right edge, it reappears on the left side, creating a continuous loop of fish movement. This simple animation demonstrates the power of graphics in C. In conclusion, this project shows how to animate a fish using basic drawing techniques and movement logic in C. It introduces the concepts of graphics programming, including drawing shapes, handling user input, and creating animations. This can be expanded by adding more fish, varying the movement, or adding other graphical elements. Thank you for your attention. This concludes the presentation. If you have any questions or feedback, Please feel free to ask now. I am happy to answer any queries you might have.